So this is after I replaced the battery here. Gonna try to open it now. Hopefully it will work. Oh, nope. Something wrong. Still did not work. It's not the battery then. Something else. Bummer. I say I had replaced the battery here, but it doesn't work. When I press button here, actually the opener unit, the look like a purple light flash, so it means that it accepting the signal from here, but it still doesn't open the opener or open the garage door. Still not working right. So I'm gonna go ahead and reprogram this again. Okay, let's do it now. So I just reprogrammed my remote here on the top button here, and now it's working right. So somehow it lost its programming. Now it's working again. Kind of strange. It has been working for a long time, but then today it just stopped working. So I reprogrammed it and it stopped working. It could have been a weak battery that caused this problem. So if you replace a new battery, you should not have to reprogram, but something happened. I also, because it was raining, I wasn't sure, when I went out, moisture got in here. So I used a hair blower to actually blow on this a little bit on the low heat to dry any moisture or get rid of any moisture in here. But anyway, it looks like it's working again. Let me close it.